Over the years, I've made a lot of watermelon videos, sometimes testing out new gadgets, or trying out fun ways to cut them. What I'm doing in today's video is something that's been floating around on the internet for quite a while, but I've never actually tried it out. We need to start by taking a large watermelon and lying it down on its side so that it finds a resting position. Next, take a sharp knife and cut a small hole in the side of it like this. Then roll the melon over so that the hole's on the top. Next, we need to take a clean wire coat hanger and, using cutters, chop a section out. Then bend it to form a shape like this. And the idea is we're going to fit this into the chuck of our drill. So we've made our own sort of long, thin whisk. Next, we need to feed it down through the hole into the watermelon and give it a spin. The idea is we want to sort of mash up and blend all the fruit inside the skin to turn it into a delicious smoothie. So work your way around the inside of the fruit and try to get all angles. When you're done, you can see it's nice and liquid inside. Next, take a paper or plastic cup, hold it over the hole, and draw half a circle onto the melon like this. Then cut the melon out to the inside of the line. You can see it all slopping around inside. And wipe off the line we drew. Then take your cup and use some scissors to cut it in half so it looks like this. And we need to feed this inside the hole we cut to make a spout to pour it out of. To jazz it up a bit, I decided to use my knife to cut out a mouth and teeth. And also a pair of eyes. And I'm using a bit of black acrylic paint to draw on some pupils. And that's our watermelon smoothie dispenser finished. Pretty cool, huh? You can see as we rock the melon forward, it starts to tip out of the mouth. So grab yourself a drinking glass, tip the melon forward, and pour yourself a glassful. It does pour out pretty quickly, so do be careful. And it can make a mess, so you might want to do this outside or over a tray. But it looks really fantastic, and it's great fun to try. And fresh watermelon smoothie tastes delicious. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.